This is our first video in the nature. We're here in the nature by Nagykovácsi, by American International School of Budapest, which is over there. And here we're actually in this cool nature walk over here.
The stream is a little bit overflowing because it has been raining these 2 days.
Yeah. So
Over there.
So we're gonna be doing the same thing like Dr. T said. It's a bit the river. There used to be an island back there, but since it was overfloating, most of the island actually got overfloated. And
somebody made something that stops the water from overfloating.
wow.
Maybe a creature made that. Look at this.
Wow.
Maybe some kind of creature made it.
Yeah.
Not human.
And over there, there's like that little thingy that probably connects. So, well, this video is kind of long.
I didn't mean to step on that plant.
Yeah, we hate stepping on plants because it's kind of rude to nature, but soon we'll have to cross back to the other side because there's an area where you can't really walk there. Unless when we walked with our school in this area of the nature, we actually had a boy who started walking on the water. And that was so funny seeing him. And then another boy who has a YouTube channel called Matt the Crafter 34 started saying that other boy can walk on water. And this is the area where it's the end.
So we're supposed to go back from here, I think.
But it's too overfloated, so maybe we should go back somewhere.
Oh!
Is it stable actually?
Yeah, it is.
No, I don't think so.
Maybe I'll go up.
It is.
No. Yeah.
I think I'll go a bit over back.
It's better.
Okay. Wait for me right where you are. I will be coming. It's just I don't know how to walk on water, so it's too complicated. Don't worry, later we're gonna keep walking to the distance we were. Whoa, a plant just wanted me as his baby. So I'm walking to the next area where I can actually cross.
That scream sound, I like it.
And
This is actually stable.
I think I should maybe from you to here, but I'm not sure it's good. It's very stable from here to there. Just a second, soon I'm gonna be jumping.
Oh, Roy, this is stable.
You mean Dr. T?
Dr. R. This is stable.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I would actually rather to go from there. I think I'll go from there actually. Wait, I'm soon on my way. So we have to go a bit more. My shoes are just not so good for... My shoes are not so perfect for the stuff.
Here.
Where?
Here.
Here?
Yeah.
I would actually go a bit more forward because there's that little spot you see.
Yeah, this spot.
Wait, not there. Where?
This spot, it's perfect.
Can you move a bit, please?
Yeah.
You think it's stable?
Yeah.
Here, I jumped over the
Let's go.
place. Wow, it's a 4-minute video so far. So here,
4 minutes.
4 minutes. Wow,
Wow, that is interesting.
that's a good view.
Yeah. That's a good
We just
view.
love these nature walks.
I love it.
We're happy that you're here to view our first nature video. Are you sure?
Let's keep it.
mushy, 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 squishy, lushy, mushy, mushy.
Let's go.
Oh my gosh. Is this a new tree that just fell?
No, it's not.
Oh yeah, I think we saw it earlier maybe.
Yeah.
Soon we're going. Here's the area earlier where it cuts the area and where the boys started walking on the water.
And this is a spot where we are supposed to go back, I
And
think.
this is the waterfall. This is the spot where we started going back with the school. And maybe soon we'll actually cross back.
Yeah.
We just have to get to a stable spot.
Like here.
Is that stable?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
It's not muddy on the other side?
No.
What?
See?
I jumped
Let's
over.
go.
It might have been a bit foggy when I jumped over. Yeah, foggy because like foggy cam. Even though I'm not using that app, if there's even such app. But we care about nature. So here,
Wow, look at that. How did this tree?
whoa. This tree probably fell from whatever storm happened. Maybe in the
Wow,
winter.
look at this.
Look at
this
these
looks
cool
like
roofs.
This looks like the middle of the roof. This looks like the roof of a cave.
Yeah.
Wow,
And
check
then
it out.
there's-
Let's go there.
Check it out. And this is the tree that fell. It's a long, 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 long log. I mean tree.
Look at that. That's where the tree that fell ends.
Yeah.
That's
Very sad when trees fall down.
yeah, because the dirt can't hold them anymore.
Yeah.
Oh look, there's a bird nesty thing
What bird's nesty thing?
here.
Oh, and it might be a perfect bridge also.
And you also triggered a trap.
Trap for birdies.
Let's go.
What the? Are these Yeah, these are mushrooms.
Ew.
Check it out. But they're so disgusting.
Oh, look here. Look at this.
Oh, we have to run. Rushy, rushy, rushy. Run, run, run.
A double fall down tree.
Wow.
Look at that.
Look at this big root. Maybe we should cross so you can see the roots of it. It kind of looks like an ant beach.
Wow. This looks like the inside of a cave. More.
I'll take the video. I'll keep taking it. I'll show you it from here. I'll soon cross back.
Cross back where the same spot you crossed. Look, I'm on top of you.
I'll take a picture. Oh yeah, here.
So this is literally the ant beach. Now I'm gonna cross back. This one's a bit spiky. I have to watch out not to slip into the mud. Here I just jumped to the other side. Nice Nile, huh? This is where Tongians stand. Yes, stood, or however you would ever pronounce it. This is the area where we came back with our school.
And this is a new discovered place.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. There's another waterfall.
Please keep watching. If you want to keep knowing about nature, please watch the next video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.